Let's return everything back to the closet, starting with the jeans. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. I have finished organizing the lower part of my closet, which were mostly my pants, skirts, dresses, and some t-shirts, and it looks really nice, and I love everything on this part of my closet. These are my shirts, my tops, my jackets. I have my coats up here as well, and everything now look really well organized, neatly edited. I can see everything that I have in this part of my closet because this is where most of my clothes are. And even the upper part where I started with is equally well organized and well edited. I love how everything looks now. I can clearly see everything that I have, and it's easier to now pick what I want to wear, see what I would like to try, see how I could easily pair my clothes because the closet now looks neat, well edited. I had my jeans, the first section, my palazzo pants, then here I have my t-shirts, some skirts at the bottom, and at the far end are my dresses. This part was really disorganized. I am happy now, it's looking really cute. All my tops are up here, my sweaters, my jackets, my coat, and ladies and gentlemen, I can't tell you how excited and happy I am looking at this closet every time I open it. I am super happy that I got to declutter it, edit it. So this is what you get when you take time to declutter and organize your closet. And these are what I got out of my closet. These are the stuff that I am discarding and getting rid of. They all came from this closet. One full bag. I have not looked at my shoes yet. That's my next step and my next project, but this has taken me close to 1 week because I was not doing it in a hurry. I took my time and I would slowly go through my clothes, fit, and see what works, what doesn't work, what I can get rid of, what I can repair. And it's been a worthwhile experience. It's been such a great experience, and I'll see you on the next video as we start on the shoes.